you may have heard about 3D printing before, but today we want to look at exactly what is it and how does it work. A 3D print always starts with filament. Usually this filament is made out of plastic and it's bought in a spool like the one you see here. You then load the filament into the printer and the printer will begin pulling the filament into itself where it will be heated to a very high temperature, usually like 215 degrees Celsius. Remember, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, so that's a very hot temperature. The plastic is then melted and placed very precisely on the printer bed. There it hardens quickly and it prints one layer at a time. Each one of these layers is very, very thin. Each layer is so thin, in fact, that we measure it in the fractions of a millimeter. A penny has a thickness of about 1 millimeter. Each layer that the 3D printer prints is about a fifth of that thickness. So it would take 5 layers of printing to get 1 penny. That's about as thick as a playing card. Your standard playing card is about 0.2 millimeters thick, and that's about the thickness that a printer will print when it's 3D printing. You can adjust these settings a little bit, but that's about average. But you can see if you stack a bunch of those layers on top of one another, you can get something fairly sizable.